Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you had a nice Thanksgiving. This is what I worked on Tuesday. Like, I didn't do anything on Monday. On Tuesday I did this 30 by 30. It had 18 colors. I worked on her face first, and then I went to the wolf. And then I did the red. And then I did 3 bags of black. And there it goes. That's the best looking wolf I ever seen. And it's the only one I ever bought. There's so many, and I just don't care for them, but I seen this one, and I thought that's really nice. But his ears, they look kind of like horns. A little close on top of the head. But really sparkly. So that came from Temu. Everything came from Temu that I have. And it was about $3 or so. And then I did this one yesterday. It was Wednesday. It's a 20 by 20. No, it's a 20 by 30. And it had so much glue on it, it took 2 lanes of tape. 15 colors. Elmo did not turn out at all. But I didn't even know he was there until I got it. You know, yeah, I don't know. That could have just been a design, you know, a swirl or something, but I think the sky looks good, Cookie Monster, the railing, but then when it comes to this and this, it's like, what? Whatever. It was about Cookie Monster. This is hard to, now that I'm looking at it, like, it's so nothing, you know? The pier is a little bit better, but I don't know. Okay, so Cookie Monster was nice to do. It was quick. This blue seems special. I mean, I probably used it a lot in other paintings and everything, but to put it in knowing it was Cookie Monster, it felt like it was a special blue. He's dropping cookie crumbs. Okay, and what I'm working on now, I just started this a little while ago because I was cleaning all day. I didn't make much progress. I really didn't. Anyway, my big Santa Claus. I got 2 colors in, and now I'm starting on the brown. It's a dark brown. It's like the second shade dark. Going in Santa. Yeah, I didn't finish. You know, there's more up there, all the K's. So it'll come all the way across all this dark and over here. But I got the actual Santa Claus done. I got his red in too. Yeah, so I did the black, the red, now the dark brown. And, okay, I'll show you what I worked on. Can I? Yeah, okay. This is what I worked on. All day. It took me all day to clean everything off of there. Wipe it all down or take it and wash it. Put it back on there. All my books. All my cards. And then I still didn't, well, I didn't put them back. They're not going back. I'm not putting the picture back up. And I just left that stuff there like, because I'm kind of done. And I threw some stuff in this box. There's jewelry and stuff in there someone gave me. I don't know. Like, this can't stay like this. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I found my wand. Professor Snape's wand. It was in the back behind this shelf because the backing, I ruined it. Look what happened to it. I sprayed it with Windex. I raised the shelf too. But I only did it right on here when the shelf was lower. And whatever. I couldn't find the pine saw. my grandmother's left-handed picture back there. Most of my angels break. This is broken. This is broken. That's probably broke. She's not. She's not. She lights up. I don't know what's going to go on here. I don't know. But for right now, I just... These came with something. Not the dresser. The dresser was thinner. But I put something together called for these. I don't know. But I can't understand how it took me all day to do that. I know what I did. I kept stopping and thinking about my mother. It was her birthday yesterday. And my brother's a few days before. You know, I keep thinking about my kids. I keep thinking about everything in the past. And it's like I live in the past a good percent of the frickin' time. If memory is reality, like you're living it, right? Then I'm living in the past, in my thoughts. All the time I spend thinking on it, that's where I'm at. And I can't stop it, you know? Tried diamond painting. My mind wanders though. So who knows where it goes. These, I got lucky here. These came pre-bagged. Look at this red. There we go. 12. Can't see it. 817. That's all the E's, of course, because that's the next color to do. Yeah, these ones. There's not... when I'm looking at this, there's not really a whole lot of each color going on. Like, I'm seeing where they are, and I'm like, alright. Because, like, what are they, 6s? Okay, well, where are they again? You know, because it's not... Then down at the bottom a little bit, and they're 3s. You know, they're just really not as many as you'd think. They're kind of scattered. Yeah, it's this dark brown. Because I already poured 2 trays. Well, I didn't make them gigantic, but, you know, all these. Anyway, I'm talking about dumb stuff now, because I'm that tired. So, now that these are shown, I make sure I got their pictures. So I could put them on Facebook in my album. And I could put them away in the book. And I could feel a little bit accomplished. I should pick that up before I go to sleep, you know. I'm pretty sure I'll do that much, but I'm not wanting to. I'm wanting to just keep ignoring it. You should see what I left in the kitchen. Well, when it was 1:30 in the morning, which was an hour ago, I decided that I wanted some ham and onion, you know, on a sandwich with some mayonnaise and tomato. So I didn't realize I actually did pick up the cutting board and everything. Here's the rest of the stuff. This is my old man. Oh, look, he didn't come clean in there. I think he's cold. Petrified wood or something. He's old. He is really, really old. I'm not going to wash him no more if it didn't come up. Is there a hole in there? What was that before? Maybe when they were making it. Somebody got a camera in there. No, I'm kidding. It's really old, so I don't know. Yeah, I'm going to take that in the living room. Alright. Well, like I said before, I hope you had a nice Thanksgiving. I spent it here, alone, cleaning, playing with ancient stuff. You know, he can go here, so if he falls, he's not going to break. But he's heavier, so Kurt won't mess with him. And maybe I should move the Windex, right? I should get a Q-tip and clean him off. Whatever for now. Like, he's okay. He don't look right there. Like, he doesn't match anything. If it had come in clear. Yeah, he doesn't match anything that's up on top. But whatever. He don't fit down there now. But whatever. Okay. Alright, have a good night, guys. Peace out and God bless.